Hi, I'm on the set of Dogs, They're Just Like Us. And
I told you not. Mark, can you please do
Yeah.
something?
Gal, you're distracting Bailey and Bailey. Listen, hold on, B. Just 1 second. Okay, Gal. Listen, I'm gonna level with you. This is getting out of control. I know that it's really getting to his head, but we just gotta get through this. All right? Let's just make this about him.
Okay.
All right. Here we go. Okay, you ready?
I'm fine. Stop.
guys,
Gal! Not seen, not heard. We just talked about this.
where is she
Take
going?
the shoes off.
Where are they going?
Oh my god. So this is the behind the scenes of running a dog Instagram. It's not all glamour and glitz and photo shoots. You gotta wake up at the crack of dawn to feed your little monsters. So, oh! Look at this. The pearls. It's a puppy juice cleanse. Get into it. Get into it. Now that's $1 million idea.
What? I was just about to live stream.
Happening. Mark, there are people
Okay,
in
hold
the
on.
kitchen.
Gal.
What is happening?
Bailey's
What?
stuck in the box again. Can you go get
I'm
him?
hiding.
Okay.
Oh, and bring a camera this time because it's
No,
hilarious.
Mark.
Can't even get a good morning, gal. How'd you sleep, gal? How's the lucid dreaming coming, gal? Are you still seeing the man without a face, gal? It's just clean up after our dog. Shoot a sex tape on the beach and get a sun rash. Can eat pizza. Ridiculous. No respect for me. My equipment.
Yeah, so everything's there. It's pretty self-explanatory. Just email me if you have any questions. Hi there. I think I see my dog. No.
What is happening?
Real estate.
And if I'm honest, you know, the whole Brandy Denise conflict, I was really team Denise, and then I see the text. And I don't know. I mean, like, you can't refute the text message. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Oh, thank God.
What is happening?
Hey guys, I didn't think you'd be here.
What's going on?
It's the open house. I talked to Bailey.
He talked to you.
Okay.
He talked to you.
He didn't
Oh
talk
my
to
god,
me.
that's my dog. What are you doing with my dog?
No, this is Bailey and he's mine, so.
No, that's Scotland, and he's been missing for a week.
Okay, did you steal this woman's dog?
I resent that accusation.
Ma'am, I'm
All
sure
right.
this is some kind of misunderstanding. Joe Josephson, Amazon Prime Realty. I represent this property. I'm sure these two did not steal your dog. They grew up in this fantastic 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 1920s Spanish-style home. So,
No, they didn't.
I'm sorry.
They didn't grow up here. This is Condoleezza Rice's home.
Who the is Condoleezza Rice, though?
Honestly.
This is Condoleezza Rice. She's a hero.
Okay, you don't need to curse about it.
I
This.
don't know what that is.
But we could explain all of this very easily.
Oh my god.
Again.